Welcome to another episode and video on my Raspberry Pi 1B, which is used in combination with the RaspberryPi Plus stacked on it and connected with Raspberry Pi camera, which is active as you can see by the red LED, serial cable, old-fashioned RS232, which is connected to the RaspberryPi Plus on this side, and on the other side it is connected to laptop for a minicom session, as well as it is connected to network cable for use with VNC, virtual network computing, as well as of course band cable, which is connected to this breadboard. Raspberry Pi is running Raspbian Linux, and in this case for this project programmed in C. Concentrating on this part of the breadboard, MCP 23008 I2C chip, and which is of course connected to power via the GPIO channel purpose input output, and some resistors and a lot of wiring. The wiring is on this side coming from the chip, and on this side the wiring is mass ground, which is interconnected to the GPIO again. Then I2C has data as well as clock, and that should work. I have two programs. One is called demo and the other called wiringpi, and wiringpi is called because it uses the wiringpi library. The demo has this name because it is a demo from a website, and I added the Pi GPIO library, which used to work. Right now the program is running, but you see that nothing is happening except for this switch, which works. Well, never mind the coloring. It's just a tricolor LED, sorry. But the problem I'm having is that this is not working. So now, to avoid confusion, let me run the wiring Pi, and that is not working either. So it is not a program that is a problem, it is a piece of the hardware. And what I already did last time twice is reconnecting the power, also reconnecting the ground, the mass, and then I'm talking about these two wires, reseating some wires, and reseating the oscilloscope wires, or probes actually. This LED is the 8th LED in this series, and actually everything should be working. 2 episodes ago it ended working, and now it doesn't. And the point is also that I rewrote the library or the algorithm last time, and I haven't been able to test it. So let's see if I can get it to work this time. Okay, so what is the problem? Apart from the fact that the LEDs are doing nothing. Except for this one then. Look at the oscilloscope. Apart from two elevated signals, there is absolutely nothing visible, which was when I started the whole thing up, but by now there's nothing. So looking, oh yeah, right, and there's nothing running, so let me run. Yeah. Alright, so every once in a while there is a signal. And while I didn't do anything, well, I just reseated this here for the 6th, 7th, 8th time. Now it's working again. And yes, I sound surprised, and I am. Because I reseated these wires, I reseated this, and at the very last moment I reseated the wire for the clock. No, that's not correct. I reseated the wire for the data. And it's working. So actually now I can test the full working of the switch in a new setting of the algorithm, which I changed last time. So let's see. Okay, wires aside. So it is, let me take away the light for a moment. They're running one direction only, that direction, because it's not pressed. I press, what will happen? Exactly the opposite side. And now I am very curious what will happen next. What if I just randomly, okay, they're running now that way. Wait a second. I am not seeing these LEDs go. Okay, now I do. Even now connection is very fragile. Alright. And this is not doing anything right now. Okay, now it is. So what I wanted to see is if it would stop in the middle of the LEDs and go the other way, but it doesn't do that. So alright, this is 1 second or 2 seconds. So now what happened automatically is now done by hand, back and forth. So what if I do it twice as fast? Can you see what is happening? So it is not that it with twice as fast clicking, it goes both ways equal as much. So that is something to notice. Also this LED. The switch LED. It doesn't go as fast as I thought, but it is a slow LED because it has 3 lights, 3 colors, as does this one. Okay, so what would be next then? I like the way that it is actually working. But I don't like the fact that these wires are so fragile. So I do know that everything does work indeed, but that's all. Right, where to go? Well, let me check. Can I do something with the other algorithm, which I haven't checked? Or can I check? I didn't check, by the way, the oscilloscope. Well, of course not, because that's just a signal. That is the signal going over here. Oops, wait. It's just a signal going over here with the probes, and it is the algorithm that decides where to go. So it has nothing to do with the oscilloscope. No. Alright. So this works. Nice job. What can I show as well? This. So light again a bit away. And this is delayed video streaming. And you can see here what direction it goes. Well, kind of. So it's currently in that direction. And I barely dare to raise it, to raise the whole board, but let me do it. Yeah, and then it stops running. Fragile wires. And releasing is, of course, towards the chip. And because of the number of wires here, you don't see all the LEDs. So, and it is less fun because of the delay in video feed. So, okay, time for the other one. Alright, so over to the wiringpi program, for which, for now, the switch and this LED are worthless because they are not implemented yet. So and this I have to start like this, and then you get a very different view on your oscilloscope. Can I change the time base? Okay, the other. Yeah, let it be like this. One remark, the view on the oscilloscope, this view that you get is a little different from the view on with the bare eye. It's a bit slower. Anyway, this works, but it leaves me with the idea, okay, how can I change this? So I have this switch incorporated. Well, the obvious solution would be to incorporate GPIO. Or Pi GPIO anyway. It works, and that's a positive point. But I want to control it. I want to manually control things. And it's been a while since I looked at this way. It sets up. Here it does a setup for something. And if you look at the LEDs, I'm not even sure what is doing what. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to delay everything. So where are the delays? Here's a delay. Here is one, and then here is one. And I think this is the delay that I want to have on line 38. So let's go there. To watch what really is going on, let's say delay 500. Then compile. Ooh! Really? So why doesn't this compile? Okay, let me change it back, do again. Same. So why does it go wrong right now? Because now I cannot probably run again. Yeah, I can, it just doesn't compile. Okay. Yeah, that is the advantage of C and C++, for that matter. You have a binary, you can use it, and as long as there is a problem in the source code that you created, you won't get a new executable. So Why is this going wrong? It goes to, okay, enlarge window. Something is first defined somewhere. Or is the compilation itself wrong? No, because the compilation itself is just as it should be. wiringpi.c, yeah. Create. Oh, wait. Yes, I am doing something absolutely wrong. Oh yes. Output. That is the wrong. Yes, I made that mistake once with, well, not even once, but more than I made it before that mistake. Okay, so compiling now correctly. Good. So now it will be a lot slower. Okay, diminish the light. And now you can see what it actually does, which is very interesting to see. It shifts the light. It pushes the light on and on. It fills the whole array of LEDs. And if this was just not a tricolor light but an ordinary LED, then it would have made more sense. But it fills the whole array of LEDs. This is interesting. Very nice. So how can I influence this for myself? That's a very good question. Well, I could reverse the whole thing, of course. But then again, is that what use would that be? Because it takes time. It is a walking LED, like the demo is. It's a whole different thing. You can easily switch direction, but this takes time, and it is much more fun to see the whole thing build up. So yeah, how to accomplish this? Not quite sure. Alright, for now that is it. So let me see how this light, extra light shows. Not that much. This is veel clearer. is much clearer. It shows what it does. So it adds up the whole array with a light. Which is nice, and now you can see it because of the delay I built in. Also, let me show the other one. So let me quit this one, and this is the other one then. Oh, that is strange. Why? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, sure, I need to start the other one. So this is the one with the walking LEDs. Now I press the switch and it goes the other way. Release the switch, and this is a very fragile part of the whole circuit. So I'm glad I got it working, and I'm glad that the blind change of the algorithm worked last time. Okay, time for the other one again. So this adds up all the LEDs, including this one. Yeah, it is a bit strange to have this one, that this one is actually right here, but lack of space, kind of. I should have put this one right here, but so be it. Anyway, that's it for now. More ideas next time, provided that all the wires are working again. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion, always appreciate it. You can also follow me on Twitter, please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram, please like and leave a comment. Very much appreciated if you show your support by making a small donation. More information at the start of this video and under this video. Also appreciate it if you become a patron and have your name mentioned. Up to you, of course. And your name will be mentioned on the website, but depending on your pledge, also with the video. Up to you, but much appreciated. More information of everything under this below this video, under this video. Thanks for watching, to be continued, and bye bye.